Do you ever feel like you're falling behind financially despite your best efforts? What if I told you that you might actually be doing better than you think? In today's video, we'll uncover 7 signs that prove you're on the right track financially, even if it doesn't always feel that way. Stick around because you might be surprised at just how well you are doing. Number 1. You have a budget and stick to it. Imagine being a captain of a ship, navigating through unpredictable waters without a map. That's what managing your finances without a budget feels like: chaotic and directionless. Take Emily, for example. She's a single mother who felt constantly overwhelmed by her finances. Bills seemed to come out of nowhere, and she often found herself short on cash at the end of the month. One day, Emily decided to take control. She sat down with a simple spreadsheet and started tracking her income and expenses. She discovered patterns in her spending and found areas where she could cut back. Emily made a commitment to stick to her budget, and over time, she noticed a significant change. She was saving more, paying off debt, and even setting money aside for her children's future. Her financial stress decreased, and she felt empowered. Emily's story is a testament to the power of budgeting. By creating and adhering to a budget, she transformed her financial chaos into clarity and control. If you've managed to create a budget and stick to it, you're already ahead of many who struggle to manage their money effectively. It's a clear sign that you're on the right path to financial well-being. If you're enjoying the video, hit the subscribe button and comment down your thoughts. If you want to explore money-making strategies, click the link in the description to start your financial journey. Number 2, you have an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and not all surprises are pleasant. Picture your car breaking down unexpectedly or an unforeseen medical bill landing in your lap. This is where an emergency fund comes in, a financial safety net that protects you from life's curveballs. Consider John and Lisa, a young couple who were just starting out. They diligently saved up 6 months' worth of living expenses in an emergency fund, even though it meant sacrificing some luxuries. The foresight paid off when John's company suddenly downsized, leaving him without a job. Instead of panicking, John and Lisa were able to cover their essential expenses with the emergency fund, giving John the time he needed to find a new job without the pressure of immediate financial ruin. The story illustrates the critical role an emergency fund plays in providing stability and peace of mind during turbulent times. Another example is Kelly, who faced unexpected medical expenses when her daughter fell ill. Because Kelly had built a robust emergency fund, she could focus on her daughter's recovery without the added stress of financial worries. These real-life stories show that having an emergency fund is a strong indicator of financial health, offering you security and resilience when you need it most. Number 3, you're saving for retirement. Picture yourself in your golden years, enjoying life without the stress of financial worries. This dream becomes a reality when you start saving for retirement early. Take Mike, for instance. Fresh out of college, Mike began contributing to his 401k plan, even though his salary was modest. Each month, he set aside a small portion of his income, leveraging his company's matching contributions to boost his savings. Over the years, the power of compound interest worked its magic. Mike's initial modest contributions grew significantly, thanks to the interest earned on both his savings and the interest accrued over time. Now, in his 40s, Mike has a robust retirement fund and a sense of security about his financial future. His commitment to saving early and consistently has set him up for a comfortable retirement. Another compelling story is that of Jane, who started saving for retirement later in life. Despite her late start, Jane made aggressive contributions to her IRA and diversified her investments wisely. With careful planning and disciplined saving, she is now on track to retire comfortably. These stories show that saving for retirement, whether you start early or late, is a crucial sign of financial health. By prioritizing your future, you are ensuring that you can enjoy your later years with financial freedom and peace of mind. Number 4, you're debt-free or managing debt wisely. Debt can feel like a heavy burden, but managing it effectively is a sign of financial maturity and strength. Consider Sarah, a recent college graduate with significant student loans. Instead of feeling overwhelmed, Sarah took charge of her finances. She created a detailed repayment plan, prioritizing her high-interest debt while making consistent payments on her student loans. By cutting back on discretionary spending and avoiding new debt, Sarah gradually paid down her loans. Today, she's debt-free and has even started saving for a down payment on a house. Another inspiring example is Tom, who accumulated credit card debt after an unexpected medical emergency. Rather than letting the debt spiral out of control, Tom sought advice from a financial counselor. He consolidated his debt into a lower interest loan and set up automatic payments to ensure he stayed on track. By following a disciplined repayment strategy, Tom managed to reduce his debt significantly within a few years. These stories highlight that being debt-free or effectively managing debt is a crucial sign of financial health. It shows you have control over your finances and are making thoughtful decisions and secure your financial future. Whether you're actively paying off debt or having already eliminated it, you're demonstrating financial responsibility and setting the stage for long-term success. Number 5, you have financial goals and working towards them. Imagine having a clear roadmap to your dreams, with every step bringing you closer to your desired destination. This is the power of setting financial goals. Meet David, a young professional who dreamed of owning a home. He set a goal to save for a down payment within 5 years. To achieve this, David created a budget, cut back on unnecessary expenses, and even took on a side job to boost his income. His dedication paid off, and within 4 years, David was able to purchase his dream home. This story demonstrates the power of setting financial goals, whether it's buying a home, starting a business, or saving for a dream vacation. Having clear goals motivates you to make smart financial decisions and stay focused on your objectives. By setting and working towards your financial goals, you're creating a path to your ideal future, one step at a time. Number 6, you are investing and growing your wealth. Imagine your money working for you, multiplying and growing over time. This is the power of investing. Meet Jessica, a teacher who started investing in index funds with small amounts. Initially hesitant, Jessica soon realized the potential of investing. Over time, her investments grew steadily, thanks to regular contributions and the power of compounding. Today, Jessica has a diversified portfolio that continues to increase in value. One example is Brian, who started investing in real estate. Despite initial challenges, Brian persevered and eventually built a portfolio of rental properties. The rental income from these properties, along with property appreciation, has significantly increased Brian's wealth. These stories illustrate that investing is a key component of financial success. Whether in stocks, real estate, or other assets, investing allows you to grow wealth and achieving your financial goals. By investing wisely and consistently, you're taking proactive steps towards securing your financial future and building wealth for the long term. Number 7, you feel financially secure and confident. Picture a life where financial worries are a thing of the past, where you can make decisions without fear of financial hardship. This sense of security and confidence is a powerful indicator of financial well-being. Take John, for example. As an entrepreneur, Tom faced many uncertainties, but he always prioritized financial stability. He built multiple income streams and maintained a robust emergency fund, which gave him the confidence to take risks and pursue opportunities. Another example is Sarah, who grew up in a financially unstable household. Determined to break the cycle, Sarah educated herself about personal finance and made smart choices with her money. Today, Sarah feels secure knowing that she has a solid financial foundation. These stories show that feeling financially secure and confident is more than just about the numbers in your bank account. It's about having assertive control of your finances, being prepared for the unexpected, and feeling empowered to make decisions that align with your financial goals. If you feel a sense of security and confidence, you are on the right path to financial success. Remember, financial success isn't always about having the most money. It's about making smart decisions, planning for the future, and feeling secure in your financial journey. If you like this type of content, then press the like button and subscribe to our channel.